क्या बना रहे हो? हाँ?
And we often wondered how far would it go? Could waste be casted into built form by using what has already been used, processed, and discarded into life? To explore the possibilities of molding pre-utilized materials into sustainable spaces, we navigated through the city in search of a site that binds our will to serve the community until we were here. Kitabi Masti Library, a learning space led by a 17-year-old girl living in the slums of Bhopal, was a small step made years ago that has turned into a big journey now.
Much of the debris was taken from here and it was thrown outside because it's totally useless. But then the few students, they came and they told that, can you spare me?
The pressing need to come up with mechanisms that would solve the problems of leakage, sanitation, lack of space and ventilation. We brainstorm our design through ideas that could aim for diversity and inclusivity, keeping the needs in mind to making the space comfortable and efficient. We achieved an all-inclusive design by expanding space, enhancing interiors, and creating additional storage options. Through a visionary fundraising campaign, we united a diverse community, sparking curiosity to join our cause. We paved our way through the streets of Bhopal in search of what treasures these ancient buildings store. We dug through the debris, we searched through the junk. We gathered all that the city offered out of its dust. The tin containers grinded and hammered to flat edges are installed as horizontal shelves in the walls, fastened along discarded aluminium panels, promoting ventilation. With consultation from skilled laborers who guided us to do things in vernacular ways, to the doors that were made by joining plywood panels. Despite the harsh rain and the fluctuating weather conditions, our team has only utilized every single second by doing origami made of nylon sheets. The tin roof extracted is used as a sunshade in front. The iron mesh is functioning as a gabion wall, and the rods below the roof make the withstanding framework. The discarded terracotta tiles were cleaned, painted, and placed on the frame with bamboo joinery to make the sloping roof. Our structure is finally taking its shape.
और आप लोगों को जज्बात देख के हम लोगों को भी अच्छा लग रहा है काम करते हुए.
We are only a few steps away from making the dream of these children a bit more possible, holding hands with Muskan. The heartfelt participation of children and the locals present at site in our building process right from the scratch till the very end has only warmed our hearts more and more to keep going. Turning someone's trash into our treasure, we have transformed our project into a lively enclosure with blackboards and softboards where kids eagerly interact. The design we crafted carefully addresses all user needs, from beating the heat to optimizing the compact space. We achieved this through high roofing for ample ventilation and clever storage solution with lock mechanisms. Our flexible door openings also make it ideal for community gatherings and festivities.
दीदी पहले ना हम लोग सही से बैठ नहीं पाते थे और जो फ्लैग्स लगी हुई थी बहुत कमज़ोर थी तो उसमें हम लोग टिक नहीं पाते थे और गर्मी भी बहुत लगती थी.
तो हमने स्टार्टिंग से लास्ट तक के इस स्ट्रक्चर को बनते हुए देखा जो कि बहुत अच्छा था. हमने बहुत सारी मेहनत की आप सभी भैया दीदी लोगों के साथ में मिलकर. उसके बाद मेरे जैसे और भी लड़कियां हैं जो अलग अलग स्लम एरिया में ऐसा काम करती है, तो हम चाहते हैं कि अगर हमें चांस मिला तो हम वहाँ पे भी ऐसा ही स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे आप लोगों की मदद लेके.
ये तो दिया कि ताजमहल के बाद भारत में ही है ये. मेरा बच्चा है तो आप सबको मेडल दूं.
As we gathered for the grand inauguration, the spirit of assemblage and curiosity filled the air, signifying the beginning of a new chapter for Kitabi Masti and our vibrant community. The debris did not settle into the earth. It rose to the heights of the wall. Laughter echoed within the library. Everyone believed one day this would come to life.